Get it. Get it, Batman. You still got his coat on, too.
I heard you left it on because you had some policy. If all else fails, this is how we exercise it, honey.
He's going to sleep real good. When it snows out there, that's how you get exercise. He spent an hour and a half out in the backyard today.
Do it one more time. Do it one more time. I just put the lighting on. I'm waiting for him to bark. I'm waiting for him to bark.